Number 7, we want to find the equation of a line with a given property. We want to express our answer using either general form or slope-intercept form. And we have slope equals -2. Point is -2, 1. Okay, so we have slope equals -2. And point is -2, 1. Alright, so I'm going to do this with point slope form and show you how to get it into slope intercept form. And then I also want to show you how to get it in general form in case you're ever just asked to put it in general form. So from point slope form, it'll be the best way. So remember, point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Alright, so we're going to plug everything in that we have. Remember, x, y, alphabetical order. So we have y minus the y value of 1 equals the slope, -2. And then we have x minus the x value of -2. So we'll just go ahead and say plus 2. Minus the negative will be plus 2. And then, if I want to get this in slope-intercept form, so I'm going to start here. So from this point, I'm going to show you the difference, slope-intercept form and general form. Y minus 1 equals -2, and then x plus 2. So from here, both parts will be the same. And we will have y minus 1. We will distribute the -2, so you have a -2x minus 4 when you do -2 times +2. And then we will add 1. This will give us y equals -2x minus 3. I actually could have just started from here. So this is slope-intercept form. Alright, so let me skip all this. Same thing, same work. You would end up with this, y equals -2x minus 3. The way you get it in general form or standard form, because you probably hadn't heard the term general form. General / standard are the same. Standard, they want x and y on the same side. So if I recall, this is what you're looking at. ax plus by equals c. So to get x and y on the same side, I would have to add 2x. That will go to 0. We would have a positive 2x. This is a positive y equals -3. Now the key to general form, standard form, is this guy has to be positive. This guy has to be positive. So if it had come out negative, that means you would have to multiply the whole equation by a negative and change all the signs so that this guy up front is positive. That's the only stipulation. Both of these cannot be 0. Well, I'm sorry, it's not the only stipulation. They also have to be whole numbers. So whole number, let me just do this, whole, there's no WH. So we'll do whole number and positive. This just has to be a whole number, and this also has to be a whole number. So that's what the definition for standard form is. All of these are going to be whole numbers, and this guy has to be positive. So just for this one, because most of them want slope-intercept form, we're going to put it in standard form. So we're going to say positive 2x, or general form, plus y, it's a different name for it, equals negative 3. So this is general or standard form. And they say either one would be fine.